Hi, I'm Larry Litke and I work for RB Sigma. We will be demonstrating the use and care of the gear wrench, digital torque wrench for use at Welded Tube Incorporated. To use the wrench, you must select the start button, hold it for 3 seconds to turn the wrench on. Once you have it on, it will display what the torque is set at. To set it for where you need it to, hit the set button once. Using the up and down buttons, you will select the torque that you want and then depress the set button again and it will say save on the screen. You are now ready to use the wrench. Once it saves it, you can then move to the bolt using the proper socket. In a clockwise position, slowly pull it. You will get a beeping, constant beeping, and 33 pounds, and that's all you have. To turn the wrench off, all you have to do is hold the start button for 5 seconds and it will turn the wrench off. Thank you.